The world is rapidly changing, and remote work is becoming increasingly common. But in the midst of comfort and convenience, could you be overlooking the safety of your home office? Let's delve into some real-world scenarios and practical solutions to ensure your home office is a safe and productive environment. Imagine you're setting up your home office for the first time. You plug in your computer and other electronic devices, but are you aware of the potential electrical hazards? Consider this: you're working diligently at your desk when suddenly your smoke detector goes off. Do you know what to do in case of a fire emergency? Now picture yourself immersed in work, feeling the stress build up. It's crucial to take regular breaks, stretch your muscles, and refuel your body with nutritious snacks. By incorporating these safety measures into your daily routine, you can create a home office that prioritizes your well-being and productivity. Your safety and success are our priority. Stay safe, stay productive. For more tips, subscribe our channel. Thank you.